Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to automatically change a cell's color in Google Sheets when a checkbox is checked, you're in exactly the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll be able to add a super handy visual cue to your spreadsheets, perfect for tracking tasks, managing to-do lists, or just giving your data that extra bit of flair and clarity. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to add a checkbox to your sheet. Go ahead and select any blank cell where you want your checkbox to live. Let's say we're working with cell B2, for example. With that cell selected, move up to the top menu, click on Insert, and then choose Checkbox from the dropdown. You'll see Google Sheets instantly drops a clickable checkbox into your cell. This is going to act as our trigger for the color change. Now you probably don't want just one checkbox. Maybe you're making a list or a tracker and need several. So next, select the entire range where you want this feature to work. For example, if you have a list from B2 to B10, just click and drag to highlight all those cells. If you haven't already, you can quickly add checkboxes to the rest by using the same Insert Checkbox option while the range is highlighted. Here comes the magic, setting up the conditional formatting so your cells change color when checked. With your range still selected, head back up to the menu and click on Format, then choose Conditional Formatting. A panel will slide in on the right side of your screen. In this panel, look for the section labeled Format Cells If, and click the dropdown. You're going to select Custom Formula Is. Why use a custom formula? This lets us tell Google Sheets exactly when we want the color to change, instead of just using basic rules like greater than or less than. In the formula box that appears, you'll type equals B2, but make sure to use the letter and row that match your starting cell. The $sign in front of the B means we're locking the column, so the formatting always checks the checkbox in column B for each row in your range. What we're basically telling Google Sheets here is, if this checkbox cell is checked, which counts as true, then trigger the color change. After you enter the formula, hit Enter. You'll see more options pop up for styling. Choose the fill color you'd like to see whenever a box is checked, maybe a bold green for completed items or a gentle pastel if you prefer. You can always change this later, so don't worry too much about picking the perfect color right away. Now test it out, click any of the checkboxes in your range. Instantly, the cell or whatever range you applied your rule to will light up with the color you chose. If nothing happens right away, double-check your formula and make sure you selected both the right range and the correct reference cell in your formula. And that's really all there is to it. This trick makes lists much more interactive and visually organized. It's great for anything from tracking progress to color-coding tasks for quick overviews. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button. It really supports the channel. Have questions or want to use this trick in other creative ways? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. And remember to subscribe for more easy Google Sheets tips and other productivity tutorials. See you in the next video.